Right now I'm on 278 BQE, headed to Two Wheel Taco Night, hosted by the Shinyside on Instagram. It is currently 44 degrees. Ignore whatever that dash says. It is not correct. I've done the weather.com app, and it says it's 44 and it's only getting colder. So I was planning to stay in today, but I saw that there was going to be a meetup tonight, and I was like, I gotta go to this because it's Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving. Let me pack up, layer up. I haven't been this layered up since I went to Mount Washington like 3 or 4 years ago. I'm gonna say 4 years ago, because it's been a pandemic for like almost 2. And that year before the pandemic, I did not go to Mount Washington because I got married. So yeah, I haven't been this layered up since Mount Washington. And man, I'm pretty toasty. All the gear that I have on, essentially, I bought either after Mount Washington, before Mount Washington, or after Mount Washington. So I have some. I'll start with the stuff I bought after Mount Washington, because clearly that taught me a lesson about dressing properly. The bridge is looking real good. Lights are changing. When I come back home, hopefully I'm gonna put the GoPro in night mode. I mean, it should be already in night mode, but I had to run out, so it isn't just my presets for motor vlogging. So I mean, it'll essentially still come out pretty nice, but I think the night mode will just like touch it up just a little bit more, with my very basic knowledge of using a GoPro. I've had like 3 of them, and I'm still on the basic settings of how to set up presets and whatnot. Anyways, and yes, I agree, everyone. I will not stay behind this bus, because obviously I don't like looking at the back of a bus. It's nothing pretty about it. Let's get out. Yeah, this is when the lane filtering starts, people. So if I get quiet, it's because I'm focusing. What's that? Oh yeah. I like it. I like it TFT, man.